do we bring wedding gowns into proportion for a petite frame when they are made for 5-foot 10-inch models? For this bride, we are bringing up the straps by 3 inches, lowering the bust, and then shortening the waist by 1.5 inches. Here's how we shorten the waist. First, we'll pick away all of the lace overlay. Then we will open all of these waist seams, the lining, the outer, the lace, whatever, all of the waist seams, and then we'll lift up all of the boning as well. I use a razor to do this. Then once it's in 2 pieces, it's time to shorten it, sew it back together, and make it look like new. This bride is only 4'9". She's fine with it now. She feels plenty tall, and I'll tell you why. Growing up, she was bullied for her height, and she would come home from school in tears. She decided to embrace it and started to really channel all of her energy into her gymnastics. She quickly became one of the top gymnasts in her state. She worked tirelessly to improve her skills and eventually earned a spot on an Olympic-level gymnastics team. At the Olympics, she shone like a star. She performed with grace and skill and won a gold medal. After the Olympics, she was approached by a photojournalist named Jack. He had been covering the games and was struck by her beauty and tenacity. They started dating and soon realized they were meant to be together. Years went by. Jack finally proposed. And this bride is going to be looking perfect on her wedding day. Well, after we hand stitch this lace back down.